Hello. Today you are going to be learning how to throw cards.
Here I was able to stick a card in an apple.
First is the grip.
The grip is easy. First you take your card and you take your 2 fingers and cut the top off. Then you pull it down a little to make this space right here so it spins faster. And then you put your thumb on top for more strength and your 2 remaining fingers on the bottom. And that's the grip.
Now that you've learned the grip, you have to learn how to throw the card. So you're in your grip and you come back to throw the card, but when you release it, the card has to be perfectly flat or else it's just going to fall down. And you want to have the card spinning as fast as it can so it stays steadily through the air and doesn't fall down. Once you've learned all that, you just have to practice and keep practicing. If you keep practicing, eventually you'll be able to throw cards like a pro.